was a defense. So were the Aravallis. ये large tract of land था which could be guarded from anybody coming from the east could be stopped at the river, and anybody come from the west could be stopped at and the Jamuna and the Aravalli virtually come to very close to each other in the northwestern part of Delhi, above Jahangirpuri. So that was a place that was easy to defend. And then in the south, the Aravalli again swings towards Tughlaqabad, and that was another place which was easy to defend. So it does not look very well defended, but natural features created this place which was easily defended. That was one reason. The second reason was that if you located your fort on top of a hill, you could see the enemy coming much before the enemy saw you. And of the 7 capitals, the first and the third are on top of the Aravalli. The second and the fourth are very close to the Aravalli. The other 3 are on the bank of the river. Again, easy to defend. The fourth factor, which was tested in the time of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. He took the capital to Daulatabad and the Mongols attacked it. So Delhi is actually the axis. Anybody coming from across the Khyber, and whoever came into India came across the Khyber, except for the British. Everybody else came that way. The Mongols came that way, the Aryans came that way, the Tatars came that way, the Huns came that way. Whoever came that way.
So Ghajini come from Bolan?
But they crossed the what is known as the Karakoram and Hindu Kush and the Himalayas. You had to cross these before you came into the Indian plains. उसके बाद जो resistance है वो पानीपत पे होता है ना. First battle of Panipat, second battle of Panipat, third battle of Panipat, सब वहीं होती है. So beyond that is Delhi, and if you lost Delhi, then the entire fertile plain of the Ganga Jamuna Doab could be captured. So it was, I think that was the reason why Delhi is chosen again and again as a site for locating the capital. Huh? It was invaded, but you know, but whoever came invaded and ruled from it, except for people like Taimur who had come to loot. They hadn't come to establish empire. But whoever comes to establish empire settles down in Delhi. उसके बाद वो कहीं और जगह ढूंढने की जरूरत नहीं होती, यहीं बस जाओ. So that's why I think Delhi was chosen. Okay, so now